Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the Nest Hub off and unplugging it. Do this first to prevent shorts. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap and lay the device face down on a soft cloth. Apply steady heat around the glass edge for 60 to 90 seconds to soften adhesive. Make sure the device is warm, not scorching. Once the adhesive is pliable, insert a thin plastic pick and create a small gap. Keep prying gently to avoid cracking the bezel or the screen. Once you have a gap, slowly work the picks around the perimeter to separate the glass from the frame. After the front is loose, remove the few internal screws holding the display assembly. Keep screws organized by location. Lift the front just enough to access ribbon connectors. Then, using a spudger, unlock the ZIF connectors and gently disconnect ribbons. Be deliberate. Cables are fragile and seated with one locking tab. Now remove the old screen assembly completely, cleaning remaining adhesive residue from the frame. Place the replacement screen into the frame and reconnect each ribbon cable, ensuring the ZIF locks click closed. You should feel a slight snap. Replace internal screws in their original spots, then apply new adhesive strips or a thin bead of appropriate display adhesive around the bezel. Press evenly to bond the glass and give it 5 minutes to set. Finally, power on and test touch, Wi-Fi, and camera. If touch is unresponsive, reseat ribbons and recheck connectors. Loose cables cause most faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.